I found this really cheap, really easy looking drone kit online. I thought it would make quite a good video, so here we go. So the thing that I found quite interesting about this kit is there is no soldering required. All the parts just plug into each other, and yeah, the only tool you need for this is just a small screwdriver. Like I said, it looks really simple and really easy, but hopefully the end result will be a cool little drone that we can fly around for a bit. So I've done the first step. I've basically just attached the motors to the frame and put the flight controller on. This is like essentially the brain which talks to the other parts of the drone and figures out what's going on, and you know, tells the motors what to do and stuff like that. Yeah, I was originally quite dubious. There's a lot of plastic parts in this kit, but now it's actually screwed together. You know, it feels pretty solid. You know, it feels pretty good. I've got a pretty good feeling about this build. These are the plugs I was talking about. All the components just plug in to these little sockets. Like this one goes into here, this one goes into here. So yeah, it's just a matter of plugging all the components in, and you're done. Okay, so I've kind of got all of the pieces together here. This is just gonna flip straight on top of there and screw down. I figured this was a good opportunity to basically explain what all of these pieces do. It's all really, really simple and straightforward. So, like I said, flight controller is here. That's the brains of the operation. It's like telling all of the other components what to do. This is the VTX, the video transmitter. That sends out a video signal which we're going to pick up in the goggles, and it's going to show us the first-person view video feed from this camera up here, this tiny, tiny, tiny video camera. And there's really nothing to it. It's just a few computer chips, some motors, and a little camera. And we're going to fly it around, hopefully get some good footage with it. And yeah, it's all been super, super straightforward. This whole thing has taken me about half an hour so far. It's really, really unintimidating. Comes with some instructions which, you know, look pretty bad, but they're actually quite useful. Yeah, I'm excited to get this thing together and see how it flies.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
So I've now screwed the frame onto the TPU plastic ducts here, and it's really starting to come together. This feels really solid, really starting to resemble a drone now. Looking good. Alright, we're really close to being done. So, popped these antennas on. That's the video feed, that's for the transmitter, radio transmitter. Got the top plate on. All that remains to be done is to this kind of foam protective shield on. Got some tape for that. And take it for a little spin. Okay. How good does that look? Oh, the motor's getting a bit caught there. Let's put the battery on. Okay, it's finished. All I've done is there were some zip ties included in the box, so I just kind of heat shrinked the antennas to those zip ties just to kind of keep them out of the way of the propellers. That was so easy. That was just took no time at all and was super, super straightforward. Let's go out and see how it flies.
This video was brought to you by deadeyeclub.com, makers of the Wishbone EDC slingshot. Head over there now and consider picking up their $100 Mischief kit, which includes everything you need to start shooting a slingshot. The Wishbone itself, 3 replacement band sets, and some ammo. It's the most fun you can have for $100 and you'll be supporting the channel.